Hi, my name is Dola Abiodun. I'm a family nurse practitioner, a DNP student of Brandman University. I'll be presenting today on supporting health communications campaign. My topic is on childhood obesity. My clinical scholarly project is about using jumping rope exercise program to help reduce body mass index in sedentary overweight and obese adolescents. Childhood obesity is a national epidemic in the United States, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It is the most serious health condition of the century, with a tenfold increase in occurrence from 1975 to 2016 globally. In other words, in 1975, it was recorded about 11 million children globally being affected with overweight or obesity. However, in 2016, 124 million children globally have been diagnosed with this problem. The cost of treatment and complication is enormous. About 254 billion annually is being spent in the United States alone for this problem. Unfortunately, 1 in 6 children and adolescents in the United States are diagnosed with overweight or obesity. Consuming healthy diet and engaging in physical activity can prevent obesity and help achieve healthier weight. I have an educational material, it's an infographic right here that I got from Twitter about the impact of physical activity on childhood obesity from World Health Organization. The purpose of this educational material is to let parents understand the importance of physical activity in the prevention and treatment of childhood obesity. The infographic is trying to engage children to participate in more physical activity. I developed a flyer to support this campaign, and I have exactly what the infographic has, which is increasing physical activity can prevent our children from becoming obese. Less screen time, more play, and recreational time is key. Then I have a go-to website right here that the public can go to have more information concerning diet and physical activity. The goal for this health communication campaign is to promote public awareness that childhood obesity is a health problem that needs to be taken seriously. I also hope to educate the public about how physical activity impacts childhood obesity. Also, I hope to promote public awareness that childhood/adolescent obesity can be prevented and treated by adopting the right lifestyle, in this case, physical activity. Overall, I hope to accomplish motivating parents to encourage their children to participate in physical activity and also for children to willingly participate in physical activity. These are my references, and thank you.